I'm tired of ghosting men because they don't exhibit, most of them don't exhibit 50 to 70% of what I want in my man. So I'm just going to be quick. I believe there is power in spoken words and I have a platform, so why not? So first off is where he's from. Please, he must be Igbo. And precisely, if I'm being precise, Anambra, because I'm from Anambra and I don't know. Yeah, that's just it. Reason best known to me. Secondly, he must be Catholic because I'm Catholic and I don't see myself going to any other church. Yeah. And he must also be God-fearing, not just Catholic. Thirdly, he must be from Port Harcourt because he must be based in Port Harcourt because I base in Port Harcourt and I don't want to relocate all in the name of marriage. Fourthly, his height. I'm 5'5", 5'6", so she should be from 5'8" and above. Stature, I don't mind, but don't be too thin. I hate thin men and don't be too fat. He must be fluent, please. God bless you. He must have something that he's doing because I have something going on in my life. He must be futuristic. There should be a very bright future ahead of him. Okay, this is what we're planning for. So yeah, that's it. I want to start work. As you all know, I'm a fashion designer and I have a fashion house. Probably I work from home. You can say that. So yeah, let's get back to work. It's Sunday. You guys are chilling, but I'm working. Bye guys. If you exhibit this character, just enter my DM. God bless you. 2026, we start relationship.